प्रधानमंत्री जी ने वायदा किया था रोजगार का, 2 करोड़ जॉब्स मैं हिंदुस्तान के युवाओं को हर साल दूंगा। मेक इन इंडिया का बब्बर शेर तैयार किया, काले रंग का बब्बर शेर, उसके अंदर देखो तो घड़ी जैसा चलता है वो। जहां देखो, इंटरनेट में देखो बब्बर शेर, टीवी में देखो बब्बर शेर, मोदी जी का भाषण सुनो बब्बर शेर, स्टेज जल जाता है बब्बर शेर। और हम आपसे पूछ रहे हैं, बब्बर शेर दिखा दिया, हमें बताओ कितने रोजगार आपने हिंदुस्तान के युवाओं को दिए?
इस देश में अगर करप्शन का जनक कोई है तो कांग्रेस पार्टी है सर, कांग्रेस पार्टी। people who are responsible in the entire 10 years, sir, in the entire 10 years, people who looted this country, please, जिन लोग जिस कंट्री को लूट लिया, जब सारे देश में हम चलते थे, सारे प्रदेश, सारे विदेश में हम चलते थे, जब मैं गया था यूएस में, हमको पूछ रहे थे अगर कुछ इंडिया में आना है तो पैसा देके आना है क्या? कांग्रेस पार्टी को ऐसे माहौल उन लोगों ने बन लिया था। एंड मे आई टेल यू सर, थ्रू यू सर टू देम, हाउ दिस कोल स्कैम वाज हैपेंड. The coal scam, the entire country knows how coal blocks were allocated, and today coal blocks were, sir, I listened to Rahul Gandhi, no. Sir, entire our party, entire this side listen to the Rahul Gandhi. Let them listen to us. Let them listen to us. Let them have patience to hear us. Sir, please entire the coal block, how they were allocated on a chit, on a slip which was sent by the AICC office, they were allocated the coal blocks. And by that, what CAG said and what is happening in the Supreme Court today in 2G scam and what is happening to Chidambaram, they do not have, they are so much scared. इतने scared हो गया है, they don't want to take the name of P. Chidambaram, who is today in the entire nation, in the entire world, thousands of crore is invested by him by a money laundering. They don't want to take his name. And these people are talking about the corruption. What is happening in Karnataka, let them have a look. I will come to it at the later stage. And he is telling, Rahulji is telling, Prime Minister is not India and India is not Prime Minister. We have never said that. But what their people had said previously, Indira is India, India is Indira. भारत देश का अपमान किए हुए लोग जिस संविधान को डुबा दिया था, वो लोग आज बात कर रहे हैं. सर, I feel very sorry, sir. And before coming to the Rashtrapati Abhiभाषण, let me tell one thing. He is talking about the JNU. He is talking about the Hyderabad University. I am going to ask, leave all other things. May I ask one question to the entire country and this house, sir? Why the death anniversary of Afzal Guru was celebrated? Only, I don't want anything else. Why it was celebrated? जो घोषणा दिया ना दिया वो तो अलग बात है सर. That is a different issue. And may I tell you sir, this P. Chidambaram, who was the home minister then, during the tenure of his home ministry, the clemency petition of Afzal Guru was rejected. And today he is telling, he was home minister then, at that time it was rejected. And today what he is telling? Afzal Guru, it was not a fair trial and he was hanged improperly. Is it not shame on their part? And today they are they taking action on Mr. Chidambaram, who was home minister then?
No, please.
Who was home minister then?
Please.
Did he not say that? He has told it that in interview, madam. सुनता नहीं है, निकल जा रहे हैं।
जोशी जी प्लीज
सर,
प्लीज
let me tell you, sir. Let me tell you, sir. They are talking about the गरीबों के बारे में। खरगे साहब की उसका जिक्र किया गरीबी का, और जो प्रेसिडेंट ने एड्रेस, माननीय राष्ट्रपति जी एड्रेस किया था, उन्होंने ये कहा था गरीबों का उन्नति, पॉवर्टी एरेडिकेशन, किसानों की समृद्धि, युवाओं को रोजगार, ये रेफर करते हुए खरगे साहब भी कहा था। और मोस्ट अनफॉर्चुनेटली राहुल जी इज ऑल्सो रेफरिंग। मैं आस्क यू सर, द गरीबी हटाओ, in 1971 this garibi hatao slogan was given. Sir, shall I tell you one thing, sir? After 1971, in 2004 and 5 and 2000 up to 14 tak, these people, UPA government, they appointed the 5 committees. One is Rangarajan committee, NC Saxena committee, World Bank committee, Tendulkar committee, and also Arjun Sen Gupta committee. Arjun Sen Gupta committee report was not published. One more total, Hasib committee. And shall I tell you the average of this committee, sir? Even all these 5 committees, they are appointed to understand what is the poverty level, what is the BPL level in the country today. All the committees put together, if the average of that report is taken into the consideration, 40% of the people are still below poverty line. And Arjun Sen Gupta committee says that 80 crore people of this country, their spending capacity is less than 20 rupees per day. Who was ruling country, sir? Sir, shall I tell you, sir? Sir, 17 years Jawaharlal Nehru, 15 years Indira Gandhi ji, 5 years Narasimha Rao ji, 5 years Rajiv Gandhi ji, 10 years Sonia Gandhi ji. 47 years. 47 years.
No,
These
please.
people have ruled, and poverty in the country is today, it is, no, entire world knows. Tarif Anwar ji, no, please listen to me. Tarif Anwar ji, please listen to me. Entire world knows during the 10 years of Manmohan Singh ji, who was ruling the country in the name of Manmohan Singh ji. Prime Minister used to preside, Madam used to decide. This was the situation.
Honorable member Joshi ji, please address to the chair.
I am addressing the chair, sir. So total 40% of the people are below poverty line, sir. And this Congress party ruled for 52 years. 52 years.
Just 1 minute.
52 years, sir.
1 minute, sir. I will go through the records. I will take direct decision. I will take the decision after going through the record. Please continue.
I am continuing, sir. Sir, entire world knows who was ruling during Manmohan Singh's period. That's why I take this Sonia Gandhi's name, and it is not unparliamentary according to me. And और इन लोगों ने पूछ रहे, ये क्या पूछते हैं? अच्छे दिन कब आएंगे, कहाँ आएंगे, किसको आएंगे? मैं तो ये तो बोल सकता हूं सर, अच्छे दिन इस देश का लोगों के लिए आएंगे, कांग्रेस के लिए कभी भी अच्छे दिन नहीं आने वाले, ये तो आप समझ लीजिए।